Do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by all the rules of the game, that I will respect all laws and decisions of the reverend and game official, and that I will act at all times as a true sportsman whose desire to win is only second to the love of the game itself. I further solemnly declare that this game is a friendly contest done in the spirit of camaraderie and true friendship, where the triumph was considered victors or losers with grace and determined will to win. To all these ideals, I hereby pledge my full-hearted cooperation and full commitment, so help me God.